Hello guys, so welcome to a quick tutorial on how to get started with some Firebase Authentication, and it should be pretty simple. I currently have some basic functions here that would help us deal with our authentication, and above me or above my code are some like Firebase configurations. I'm not going to show them for privacy sakes, but just know that I have my configuration, my API key, my buckets, and etc. to help me initialize our Firebase project. So basically, mainly I just want to go over like the basic sign in with email and password. So first we have to take in our function sign in, and it takes in two parameters for us, email and password. And then we also have to initialize our sign in with email and password function. It takes in three arguments, our auth, which will be our get auth function that we pass in from Firebase, our email, which has any parameters, and then our password. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like on our React application. If we go over here to, let's go to, where's this? Oh, it's a sign up page. Okay. So let's go to our sign up page, and over here, you can see that we want to sign up. So we have an asynchronous function that will help us sign up, and we're obviously having to wait for the sign up. So we're waiting for the Firebase API to send us our sign up. And this is also fired whenever we have our submit function fired. It's going to handle our sign up for us. And then basically we've taken our two parameters, which would be our email and our password. I just set that to a value for our input. So in these forms over here, our email and password refs, they're over here using the React useRef. If you don't know much about useRef, I highly recommend looking at some React documentation for our useRef function. And yeah, so without further ado, let's go to our main app on localhost 3000. So let's open up the terminal, yarn dev. Okay, and then localhost. It's loading up. Perfect. Let's go over here. So I made a test.demo.com, and then we click our, oh wait, we're live. Holy shit. Okay. We go to our test.gmail.com. Then we put in some random things for our password. Then we click sign up. Test. Okay, so we go test@gmail.com. So now we have our password and email in. All I have to do is just click our sign up, and then boom, we're signed up. So how do we know if we're signed up or not? Just simply go over here to our So how we know if we're signed up? We would just basically go to our Firebase authentication page for our website, and then we should obviously see that our identifier, which we are test@gmail.com, has been successfully put into our users tab. So that's basically Firebase authentication in a nutshell. Thank you guys for watching the video, and hopefully you like and subscribe to the video, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.